The timber hitch is a very useful knot that I seldom hear about. It works fantastic for hauling wood through the forest and or any other heavy objects. Simple to tie, easy to untie. It's very simple. Got my tag end down here and my longer end on top of the piece of wood, or on the back side. I'm going to come around on the right side of it. And you can do this from either side. And you just cross over, and it's going to kind of keep going back under itself. 2, 3, 4 times, it doesn't really matter. It usually depends on the size of the object, will determine how many wraps you need. I find 2 or 3 to usually be the minimum. Then you pull that tight. And that in itself actually already holds fairly well. But to finish it off, we're going to do a half hitch. Again, going towards the object. And so now this makes somewhat of a half hitch that pulls against itself. So now what you have are 2 loops that tighten down when force is applied. So this way things can be towed quite easily. Show you that in some thicker lines, see if that helps at all on camera. So we've got our 2 ends. That's going to be my longer end. I'm just going to come up behind it and just start going back under itself. Let's just try 2. And again, just tighten that down. And again, if you had to, you could just use that. It works quite well. I find that doing the other hitching point down at the bottom kind of gives you more control of how it actually tows and falls left or right. And of course you want this loop so that it's pulling against itself. I find this to be an excellent knot when hauling firewood through the forest. Very useful.